So if you're doing it side by side also, it will be fine. It's very simple code only. Let us start with, I hope, am I sharing the screen? Are you able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
It is clear, ma'am. Yes,
it's
ma'am.
clear, no? Thank you, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
So if you take, let me start with simple thresholding operation. As I told you, I'm just making the value below a particular threshold to 0 and above a particular threshold to 255. That is what the basic thresholding operation is going to be. So if I run this, if I take your cameraman image, which is a sample image, I'm just giving the threshold value as 127. So you can easily see your grayscale image, it's converted to binary image. As you know, grayscale image, it contains values from 0 to 255 intensity values. In case of thresholded image, we have mapped all the values less than 127 to 0. So the image is looking black, and all the values above 127 are mapping to 255. So it's going to be white. So we are just converting the grayscale image to binary image. Since mixed set of audience are there, I'm just starting with simple application and will move on to elaborate things. Because I don't know how many of you actually studied image processing paper. For the training, I'm just starting with simple applications and will move on to advanced concepts slowly. So this is regarding thresholding operation. I'll share all the codes. Please, you can try it later also. And next transformation is log transformation function. So as you all know, what is your logarithmic transformation? We need to take some C log 1 plus R. That's what the mathematical equation for logarithmic transformation is going to be, where R is my input gray level. Okay, so what I have to do is here I can vary different values for C. That is one thing I can do. Okay, and another thing is we can just find what will happen if you take the range of logarithmic value to different things. Accordingly, you'll be getting different output. Because as you all know, as I told you, image enhancement is a subjective process. And it's not that you're going to just apply one technique. You can just like go on trying combination of techniques till the user is getting satisfied. Like it's not that whatever I'm telling it's good for you, isn't it? So till the user satisfied, you can just apply combination of techniques till you're getting the result whatever you are interested in. So you don't have any objective criteria here. So what do you mean by objective criteria? Any idea? Yes. What is your subjective and objective criteria? Is if it is if I get some interaction, it will be better. Like if I monotonically talk, I think it's of no use. I don't know even the participants are there or not. Okay, what is the difference between subjective and objective criteria? Yes, I think 21 have joined. Good. Yes, ma. See, I hope many of you would have studied image processing. If you interact, it will be better. Come out, Vishnuvardhan. Vishnuvardhan. Yes, can you tell per? Yeah, what is the difference between subjective and objective criteria? Okay, no problem. If nobody knows, let me tell. Subjective criteria is if you are satisfied with the visual result, that is what your subjective criteria is. Objective means if you have certain measures like mean square error, peak signal to noise ratio, in that way in your paper you'll be seeing different results. If you are having that mathematical results, that is going to be a objective criteria.